Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and work on the rain code. So on the first one, green flag is clicked. We're going to go on to control and add a forever. Inside of the forever, we're going to be using an if then else. And inside of the diamond shape, we're going to go on to operators and use the equal sign. The empty bubble, we're going to go on to variable and add the weather bubble. And we're checking to see if it's raining. So we're going to type in rain, all lowercase. Inside the first bracket, we're going to go inside the blue motions tab and add a set y2, because that's what's going to be moving them up and down. We're going to go on to operators and use the addition symbol, and then on the right, we're going to be using the multiplication symbol. So now starting with the very left, we're going to go on to variable, and we're going to add the rain scrolly. The middle bubble is going to be 1. And then the bubble on the right is going to be 365. We're going to go on to looks and we're going to add a show. And then on the second bracket, we're just going to add a hide. Since if it's not raining, we don't need it. On the when green flag is clicked, however, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to go to the I believe it's the tree sprite. Yeah, so we're going to go into the tree sprite. We're going to grab the last block of code. We're going to move from the forever onto our rain set. It might be just a tad bit difficult. Yeah, I figured. It may or may not work. It might be too hard. If it is, what you guys can just do is just take a second and just go ahead and copy this block of code. You guys can pause this video. And next, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to add a couple changes. So on the first bracket, we're going to change this to rain, and we're going to set our ghost effect to 75. And then on the second bracket, we're just going to go ahead and change this to snow. Once you're done, we're going to make multiple versions of this. So we're going to go ahead and duplicate this. And now we have the rain set 2. For the set 2, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go at the very top of this code. The set y2, we're changing the 1 to a 2. And then everything else, we're going to keep the same. And if you guys want to, you guys can always change the artwork a little bit and move some stuff around. And then we're going to go ahead and duplicate this one last time. And for the set 3, we're going to go ahead and do similar thing. We're just changing this 2 to a 3. And again, if you guys want to, you guys can change the artwork for this. Once you're done, you guys can go ahead and move on to the last step for our week 3 deep dive, which is going to be the page sprite.